Come work with K-pop idols with me today. The Lord is doing her work because timing could not have been better. I was sick for a week and then I had the aftermath of a cough. A little over a week, a smoker's cough finally went away. Hello? You may call me. Does it smell? I think I'm ready. Made it to Chicago. Look at the buildings. Can't find this in Michigan. Am I the only one who loves tunnels? I did brush up on my Korean, how to say goodbye, with the help of Whitney. I called her. If they're staying and you leave, you go, 안녕히 계세요. And if they're leaving and you're staying, you say, 안녕히 가세요. The boys are a lot younger. They're like 18 to 20, I think. The youngest was born in 2005. And so I can just say 안녕. I should brush up on my Korean more.
I am on to see.
There are people outside lined up around the theater for Zikers. This is crazy, guys. Are you excited? I'm excited.
Easy peasy lemon crazy.
We just got to our apartment. Here's the entrance. The bathroom that's occupied right now. Wow, look how beautiful. Way better than those expensive hotels. Look how beautiful. There's a massage thing. It's clean. Nice little couch. The rug. I love the wall paneling. Hangers. Nice little sink. Shower. Follow his OnlyFans.
He bounced the camera.
I just wanted to like touch base on how the interview went. It was really good, really fast. Setting up took longer than the actual filming. We set up for like an hour. What Jack did. He's great. If you guys need a videographer, check out Jack. I'm gonna link his... I only have his Upwork, but I'll figure it out. I'll link his information down below. All his professional cameras. We had mics, lighting, and all. Be on the lookout for that video. It's gonna be fun. The boys were really, really nice. There was so many of them. Hunter, he was next to me. He spoke the most English. Super fluent. He's the Thai member. I interacted with him the most. It's just nice to see them like relaxed, having fun without like pressure or anything. They're really pretty. Perfect makeup.
Great energy.
So energetic.
Really into it.
Yeah, they were very enthusiastic. KQ Agency, shout out to Miko. The show doesn't start till 7. There was already a line wrapped around the corner of the building. And I was like, holy moly. When we finished filming, the line like continued down the street. It's been a hot minute since I've done anything K-pop related or gone to a K-pop concert. Wow. It was really cool to see the energy, culture of what K-pop can bring. When we were walking in, a member was just outside. Was he outside? Yeah, he was just like outside lingering. Trying not to figure out that's a K-pop idol. He was just like, hi. I think he was waiting for rehearsal. That's why we had to film really fast because rehearsals was right after us filming within that 30 minutes. Went up to where they were backstage and they're like getting ready area, makeup room. We had one of the rooms next to them. So it's just kind of cool seeing like the members come like in and out like down the hallway, passing them. Don't fangirl, Faye. Don't fangirl. I told them that they're literally babies. Signed album. Oh, I should show you guys. When one of the members came into the filming room, I don't remember who because they all bunched together and the room was so tight and small. Called me pretty.
How'd you know what that meant?
But yeah, let me show you the sign album. I lied, it's in the car. It tickles. Oh, I remember the members kept saying, easy peasy lemon squeezy. There was a member who introduced himself and he was like, I'm a good boy. The intros was fun. Hunter was like, NJ woke me up early. So Chicago right here. We're back and I changed back into my dress. I love this dress because after I ate, I felt too big. I was like, I'm putting it back on my dress because I don't have to suck it in. I just got back from a banchan. It was not hitting like I expected it to. I think it's a little bit too oily for me because I got rice cakes on the side. I had like 5 rice cakes maybe, and I had like 4 wings, and now I'm feeling nauseosa. That's okay, I guess that's on me. Just touching up real quick because we're gonna go to the concert. We're probably gonna get there around 7. KQ Agency left us some tickets at the box office. My friend DS, he's gonna be there also. He lives in Chicago. He's probably like the only friend I know that lives in Chicago. And I think afterward, we're gonna go grab a drink. Until now, we're in Chicago. Anything can happen in Chicago. Honestly, I should go try to get burst real quick before we go. I think my eyebrows are a little dark. I should brush my teeth real quick. I had fried chicken. So, are you gonna wear jeans?
When I'm with you.
Okay. Did it. Yeah.
Whoa.
We gotta brush our teeth out here because someone would just stank up the toilet. What did you say?
Just been panties off on it.
Oh my god, I suck booty. I forgot to vlog. This is why I'm not a vlogger. Just got back from the concert and hanging out with DS at this Korean restaurant. I was really craving kimchi jjigae, but clearly banchan didn't have it. DS was like, okay, let's go to this one place. We got kimchi jjigae and thinly sliced brisket and this salad that was delicious. Talking, catching up, hanging out. I'm just happy that you came with me, bestie. And you came to work with idols with me today. That was pretty fun. Their stage presence is so lively. It's interesting to see this new generation, this new wave of K-pop. Everyone's like Gen Zs and moms, because moms had to take their kids to this concert. We went just the 3 of us in the stands. We were like, we're kind of out of place. One marshmallow.
Check it out. One marshmallow.
Check it out. Amazing to quick.
Yeah. One marshmallow.
Check it out.
Ooh.
1, 2.
5 marshmallow.
5 marshmallow.
5 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. We're not counting.
I don't know.
Flip. Clap. Flip. Clap.
Can we do it this way?
No. 3, 4. I declare thumb war.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Ella is currently reading Lonesome Dove by Larry. How do you say his last name?
I don't know.
McMurtry?
McMurdy.
I'm currently reading A Little Life by Hanya Yanagihara. We're starting a little book club. Look at us. Someone got poop on your shoes.
Haven't you had enough?
Look at those apartments. Good morning, we're at brunch. We're trying out Yolk. Apparently it's a big chain, really good brunch breakfast place. I'm gonna get the countryside steak. It's seasoned potatoes, bacon, ham, sausage, mushroom, onion, green pepper, cheddar, 2 eggs, any style, side of country sausage gravy, served with pancakes. I got freshly squeezed orange juice. It's just nice. Finish the shoot. Not that that's a bad thing. All week, just kind of stressing about it. A great experience. It was fun networking.
Well, they must have been busy because they said they got woken up.
It's just really cool to like think that this is the agency that ATEEZ works with too. It was like a really funny time at the concert. There was a duo performance, Hunter, and I didn't really tell who the other member was because we were kind of far. Seductive performance to what song was it? The Weeknd. After their performance, the leader Minjae was just like, ass. And then they're like, who's the sexiest, Hunter or the other guy who had to scream? And there was this mom, they're like, Hunter, and she's like, lots of production people walking around, hard-working crew. Everyone was so nice. Definitely the most intimidating people, always to me, are the managers. I think the man that was with you in the other room while we were filming, he was definitely one of their managers. When we were leaving, we peeked into the rehearsal a little because we had to pass it. They put just as much energy in rehearsal as they do performance.
Working full time.
neighborhood. It would be so cool to live in Chicago. Straight out of the movies. We found our first stop, Rackstock. So cute. Okay, I love this style recently. I don't know why. Stop it.
When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Maybe you could be my solace. Only my talk, 날 필요해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 때다. 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래.
Goodbye, Chicago.
Goodbye,
Farewell. Bye for now. To you, my friend. Until we meet again.
얼어 붙을까봐 계속 서있어 계속 붙어있어
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these rides.